Master your wallet essentials. Understanding the money clip. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a small but mighty accessory that many of us use or have heard about. The money clip. Whether you're shopping for one or just curious about what it is, this video will help you understand everything you need to know about money clips. So, let's get into it. A money clip is a device typically used to store cash and credit cards in a compact and organized way. It is a sleek alternative to the traditional wallet, especially favored by people who prefer not to carry around a bulky wallet. Money clips are usually made of metal, like stainless steel or silver, but can also come in leather or other materials. They are designed to clamp onto your money tightly, ensuring that bills and cards are secure. The use of money clips can be traced back to the 19th century, where they started as an elegant solution for carrying currency. Over time, they have evolved in design and material but remain popular for their simplicity and the sophistication they offer. They're a statement piece for some, reflecting personal style and a preference for minimalism. Using a money clip is straightforward. 1. Fold your bills in half or thirds, depending on the size of the clip and your preference. 2. Place any cards you carry on one side of the folded bills. Most people put their most used card on the outside for easy access. 3. Open the money clip and clamp your cash and cards together. 4. Adjust as needed to ensure everything is held tightly and securely. Remember, while a money clip is good for simplicity, it's not ideal if you carry a lot of items in your wallet. Pros: slim design, easy to carry and fits in pockets without creating bulk. Quick access, less fumbling around than with a traditional wallet. Style: many designs to choose from, often seen as more stylish. Cons: capacity, can only hold a limited number of bills and cards. Security: money is exposed, which can sometimes lead to a higher risk of loss or theft. Wear on bills, frequent handling can cause wear and tear on the currency. When selecting a money clip, consider material, determines durability and style. Size and capacity, depends on how much you plan to carry. Design, should align with your personal taste and lifestyle. Price, varies with material quality and brand prestige. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a money clip is, its history, how to use it, and how to choose one that fits your needs. Whether you're looking to streamline what you carry or just want to add a touch of class to your daily essentials, a money clip can be a great choice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep it simple and stylish.